Question 12, we have a rhombus shown the coordinate plane. A rhombus, all the sides are the same length. Points M and N are midpoints. So I didn't draw that very well. So these are the same on both sides. This whole length is the same as the other sides. Select all the transformations that could map the rhombus onto itself. First one says a 90-degree clockwise rotation about the center of the rhombus. Let's discuss where the center would be. If you draw both diagonals in a rhombus, they will intersect in the center. Something else is true about a rhombus: the diagonals are always perpendicular to each other. If we rotate this 90 degrees about the center, let me show you what that would look like. Try to see if I can rotate this with my magical iPad. If I rotate this 90 degrees, that's going to give me the picture like this. That does not map it onto itself, so that's a big fat no. 180 clockwise rotation. So if I bring this back here, if we start it like this, I rotate it 90 and then 90 again, that's going to map it onto itself. So that's a yes. Reflection across segment PR. So the rest of these are reflections. Let me get rid of that. So reflection across segment PR. Here's some more facts for you. The diagonals in a rhombus bisect each other. They go through each other's midpoints. If we reflect across segment PR, hopefully you can see that these triangles are congruent to each other. Anytime you draw two diagonals in a rhombus, you end up with 4 congruent triangles. So it's going to map this up here, this down here. Those are going to be mapped on top of each other. Reflection across segment NM. So I'm just going to make that a line. If we reflect across line NM, would that put this on top of itself? Well, here's a clear answer. Here's point Q. If you reflect it, it's supposed to be a perpendicular distance. It's going to put Q prime up here someplace, which is ludicrous. Luda! So that's not going to work. Reflection across segment QS. Well, that's equivalent to the other diagonal. That's also a yes. Let's just examine that here. If we reflect across this, these two triangles interchange spots. These two triangles interchange spots. That's going to map it onto itself. So we got 3 different answers. Select all that apply.